10 minutes. I can clear. And press start. Clear all cursor. You are welcome to my channel, Felix Techno Ed. We help you increasing your knowledge through technical videos. If you are new here on this channel, make sure you subscribe. So today I'm going to show you how you can repair LG microwave oven when the start button and other buttons are not responding to the commands. As you can see here, if I plug it to the power, the only button is working. So no, I cannot say that is a button. The touchpad here, it is touchpad. You see, I can increase minutes, cooking minutes. Now it is combi microwave. You see there is microwave, grill, and combination. So now I can set 3 minutes for microwave heating, and then I can press start to start heating. Now you can see that the start function is not responding to the command that I'm giving to this membrane. So if one of the membrane of one of the function is working properly, so now you have to suspect membrane. If there is no any of them, so now you can replace or you can repair the main controller. So these are the push buttons that I'm going to use. I hope you can see. They are miniature. They are very small. You can find them in many appliances like home theater, DVD, option code assembly, display cards of washing machine. You can find these push buttons. Another thing that I'm going to use, these are the strands wires. So now what I'm going to do is to detach this membrane from this plastic. This is the membrane touchpad. So now what I'm going to do is to track this connection here. This connection is here. Here you see function. If I press on start button, I make a connection between pin number 9 and pin number 4. If I press on cancel, current will flow between pin number 9 and pin number 1. European menu, pin number 2 and pin number 10. Clock, pin number 3 and pin number 9. Weight, pin number 3 and pin number 12. Power, pin number 5 and pin number 9. 10 minutes, pin number 12 and pin number 1. Combination, pin number 7 and pin number 9. This is a push button. So now I have connected wires, and these wires are going to be connected to pin number 9 and to pin number 4. Here you count by starting here where there is a dot. Dot is pin number 1. So now we are going to test this function. So now I'm going to connect it to power, to plug it to electrical power. I hope you can see it is on. Now I can set 1 minute and I press on this push button. You see, now it is counting down. I can press again to start. You can see that it is working using push button. This start function is working using push button. I can also repair this stop and 10 minutes using push buttons. I hope you can see how you can do it. If I have repaired one button, I can repair many if I have many buttons. You also can try. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. You see on your screen there is a subscribe button, click on it, just subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So now I'm going to make holes here. I'm going to make holes here to hold those push buttons. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark here by using pen. I'm marking clear function, marking start. I'm going to mark 10 minutes. Stop or clear, start and 10 minutes. I'm going to make holes which are going to hold those push buttons. That's why I'm marking here to see where I'm going to make a hole. I hope you can see. I'm going to make a hole here and here and here. "10 minutes, I can clear and press start. Clear all cursor. So now I hope you can see. These are push buttons inside. Start, clear or stop, 10 minutes, and the combination function. You have to make holes and attach both buttons and connect wires accordingly. So first of all, you have to track this connection here on this membrane. So if you, after finding out the connection, so now you have to make a hole and put buttons. And remember that you have to use flexible insulated thin wires. You can find them from old earphone. So now I'm going to attach this membrane using quick glue. I can use this quick glue. I'm now going to put it in a center, just at the edge. So that it will not come out. So now I'm going to check the operation, flexibility of this button.